the CEO, that is of the Guasco?
Yes, I had him confirm.
And on page 189 of the bundle of documents, what document is that?
That is the answered report for the Kisii County Assembly process.
What is the Deputy Governor saying at the last paragraph, which says, Mr. Speaker, just as a good friend? Yes?
The Deputy Governor, said, and I read, like any other leader, Mr. Speaker, this request came to everyone, to me. Every honorable members know that Lucy in Wasco will work, and like many. Just. Oh, this one. Okay. Mr. Speaker, it reads, Mr. Speaker, just as good friends, Mr. Joseph Misati and I, somewhere in April, was made to know that there is an advert that has come up in Wasco, and Misati, as a friend, could ask me that his son has also tendered his application. Is it possible for him to be assisted to get a job?
Yes?
Yes.
What is he confirming?
He's confirming that indeed he has confessed.
And did you confirm that conversing? And to whom is he referring when he speaks about a son?
He's referring to one Dennis Misati, who had already tendered his application towards the commercial manager position.
In the pursuit of the truth, did you ever meet one Lucy Wehito?
Yes, I met her.
And if yes, what did you confirm that she does at Kisii County?
I confirmed that she is the managing director for the Gusii Water and Sanitation Company.
Did you confirm whether she was involved in this act of briberies?
Yes, I confirmed, because she revealed to me that indeed the deputy governor summoned her to his office and made it known to her that he has a friend who has a son who is interested for the position of the commercial manager, which had already been put on the dairies, and the application process was ongoing.
Did you confirm whether Lucy, prior to the sending of the money, had met the deputy governor?
Yeah, they'd met.
And what circumstances did Lucy disclose to you that they met?
Upon receiving the letter from one Dennis Misati, I started doing my own investigations to ascertain the material factor that had been given to me by Dennis Misati, and that prompted me to visit the office of the managing director in pursuit of getting all the information and exactly the transaction that involved them between the deputy governor and herself. That is Lucy.
So you confirm that the deputy governor did approach one Lucy in favor of a job, yes?
She did, and he did, and he summoned her to our office.
Again, confirm at page 189 of the same bundle of document by the county assembly, the last paragraph where the deputy governor is testifying, yes?
Yes.
Were you at the county assembly at that particular time?
Yes, I was present.
Kindly read out to the honorable senators as to what the deputy governor indicated on record.
This is the answer the report, and this is what the Honorable Deputy Governor had to say before the Assembly. Like any other leader, Mr. Speaker, this request came to me. Everyone, honorable members, know that Lucy in Wasco will work under, like many staff work under the governor's office, where I'm also the Deputy Governor. And so I indicated to Lucy, asking her, it's not clear, asking her if they had such kind of jobs, and she said yes. A friend is making a request that he gets his son a job, like every one of us here could do, and she told me, let us wait for the process, and if he qualifies, we shall not deny him the job. And the discussions ended there.
Have you confirmed that he did confirm on record that he approached Lucy for that favor?
Yes.
Does it therefore surprise you that 100,000 shillings is sent to Lucy?
It doesn't surprise me at all.
At what period was the 100,000 shillings sent?
It was after the interview, and it was sent on 28 May at around, because it went to the statement at around 9.
I want you to have a look at the Deputy Governor's defense.
The money was sent to Lucy because it's on page 99 on the DG submissions. The money was sent to one Lucy Waito on 2023, May 28th at 21, 24, 13. It was past, a few minutes past 9.
Did she confirm to you what she immediately did after the receipt of the said monies?
Upon receipt of the money, the deputy governor did not call her, but in the morning of 29th, the one Lucy called the deputy governor. And upon calling the deputy governor confirmed to her that the said amount was in reference to the discussions they had with her in her office, in his office, sorry.
Is Lucy one of the witnesses that you have lined up to come and confirm that proposition?
Yes.
Now, allow me to lead you to page 4 of the bundle of the documents by the deputy governor, and most importantly, paragraph 13. Yes, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Does the deputy governor confirm, page 4, honorable members? At page 13, is the deputy governor confirming that they have been friends with one Joseph Misati for over 30 years?
Yes, he's confirming that.
Kindly read the paragraph C.
Paragraph C of
You can begin from B.
Okay, paragraph B of 13 reads, Mr. Joseph Misati and his whole family were there for me when my daughter died around 2018. Clause C says, we asked each other for possible favors, and these include borrowing, number one, borrowing each other and refunding aggregate stocks, borrowing each other and refunding money, favors like helping each other favors helping each other look out for foods, business opportunities, jobs, education, and other social welfare openings, especially our children.
So he further confirms through his affidavit that he is in the habit of seeking for these favors, yes?
Yes, he does confirm.
Permit me to take you to paragraph paragraph 8 of the said bundle of document by the deputy governor, appearing at page 3.
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Are you at paragraph 8?
Yes.
Kindly confirm whether or not you are actuated by malice, ill will, ill feeling, the time you actuated this motion as against the deputy governor. And before that, Mr. Speaker, sir, confirm that you are the MCA referred to at paragraph 8, yes?
Mr. Speaker, and for the purpose of record, it's immoral.
Confirm that you are the MCA referred to.
I confirm I'm the MCA referred to.
Have you internalized those allegations contained therein?
I've internalized all of them.
Have you seen that the deputy governor indicates and alleges that you are actuated by malice and ill will?
I've seen.